අද 37 වෙනි දවස අපි programming Rust programming ඉගෙන ගන්න. Patterns and matching තමයි අද කරන්න බලාගෙන ඉන්නේ. Patterns and special syntax in Rust for matching against the structure of types both complex and simple. Using conjunction with match expressions and other constructions giving you more control over the program control flow. Patterns consist of some combination of following: literals, destructured arrays, enums, structs, tuples, variables, wildcards, placeholders. These components describe the shape of the data we are looking with, which we then match against values to determine whether our program has the correct data to continue running a particular piece of code. To use a pattern, we compare it to some value. If the pattern matches the value, we use the value part in our code. Recall the match expression in chapter 6 that uses patterns, such as the coin sorting machine example. If the value fits the example shape of pattern, we can use the named pieces. If it doesn't, the code associated with the pattern won't run. This chapter is a reference on all things related to patterns. We will cover the valid places to use patterns, the difference between refutable and irrefutable patterns, and the different types of pattern syntax that you might see. By the way of the chapter, you know how to use patterns to express many concepts in a clear way. All the parts patterns place can be used. Patterns pop up in number of places in Rust. You'll be using them a lot without realizing it. This section discuss all the places the patterns are valid. Methods. As discussed in chapter 6, we use patterns in arms of expressions. Formally, match patterns are defined as keyword match, the value to match on, and on or more pattern arms that consist of patterns and expressions to run it. If the value matches the arm pattern like this, one requirement for match the expression is that they need to be exhaustive. If the change are all possible of the values in the match expression must be accounted for. One way to ensure you are covered every possible thing is to have a catch all pattern for the last arm. For example, variable names matching any value can never fail, and thus a particular match must be never bytes to a variable. So it's used in some can be used when you want to ignore unspecified. For example, we'll cover underscore pattern in more detail in the ignore values in pattern section. If let expression. We discuss how to use if let expression mainly as a shorter way to write equivalents of match. That optionally if let can correspond to others containing code to run if the pattern is if flat doesn't match. Possible if let else if let match. Ongoing flexible. Let color if let if mixing, if the user specifies a favorite color, the color is the background color. This conditional structure lets us support complex requirements with the hardcode value we have. In chapter 3 we mentioned මේ ඔක්කොම දන්නවානේ. අපි පොඩ්ඩක් මේක skip කරමු. Let statements. Prior to this chapter, we only explicitly discussed using patterns with match. Let statements. Although throughout this book with hundreds of times, realize we are using patterns. Let pattern equal expression. In statements like this, Ross compares the expression against assigns any name if finds. So because the name exists, the whole pattern this right. To see the pattern aspect of that more clearly considered, which user right. Variables තුනයි variables, patterns, expressions මොනවද දන්නේ මොනහරි තුනක් තියෙනවා මෙතන තුනක් තියෙනවා values මෙතන දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ ඒක නිසා not matching. Right, function parameters. Print, right, point to 3 and 5, right. This code points prints current right matches so x and y. Right, we can also use patterns in closure parameters. Don't work the same way every day using. Whether a pattern might fail to match. Patterns might come in two forms. Patterns that will match for any possible value passed is irrefutable. An example would be x. Pattern syntaxes. Ding. Let x equals 1 match x 1 2 3. Matching named variables. Sum 5. The pattern in the second match arm introduces a new variable named Y. To create a match expression that compares the value of x and y rather than multiple patterns. Right. Wow. Destructors to break apart values. මලකඩ අදට මෙච්චරයි අපි අර චැප්ටර් එක ස්කිප් කරන පැටර්න් මැචිං මොකද මං හිතන්නේ ඒකට ආපහු පස්සේ ඇවිල්ලා බලන්න මට ඉස්සෙල්ලා රස් ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම්ස් ලියන්න පටන් අරගෙන ඊට පස්සේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම්ස් වල එෆිෂන්සි එක වැඩි කරන්න ඒ කියන්නේ ලස්සනට කෝඩ් එක එෆිෂන්සි එක රීඩබිලිටි ඒ වගේ වෙලාවට තමයි මං හිතන්නේ පැටර්න් මැෂින්ස් කෝඩ් කරන ගමන් ඒක ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන් මොකද අපි මේක බැලුවා කියලා පැටර්න්ස් එක මෙච්චර තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ අදට මෙච්චරයි